In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging and dynamic project using Lovable AI in Chrome. Whether you're a seasoned AI enthusiast or just starting out, this guide will walk you through each step with precision and ease, ensuring you can make the most out of this powerful tool. First things first, we'll need to open Lovable AI in your Chrome browser and log in. It's always a good idea to make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome for optimal performance. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on our main dashboard. It's a neat, user-friendly interface that contains all your projects and tools in one convenient location. From here, we'll want to start a new project. Simply navigate to the option that says New Project. Once selected, you'll be prompted to choose between using a template or starting with a blank canvas. If you're looking for some structure, templates could be extremely useful as they provide a ready-made framework. Otherwise, the blank canvas option allows for complete creative freedom. Now comes the exciting part, adding AI features. Lovable AI offers a variety of features, from text generation tools to interactive chatbots. These features aren't just fun, they're incredibly powerful for a variety of applications. Take your time to explore and select the ones that best fit your project goals. Whether you're aiming to craft the perfect conversational AI or generate compelling textual content, there's a wealth of options at your fingertips. With your features in place, it's time to customize. This is where you can really make the project your own. Adjust settings to tweak how your AI functions and incorporate media or content to enhance the overall experience. You might want to add images, videos, or other multimedia elements that complement your goal. Once you've set everything up, it's crucial to preview your project. This step allows you to see exactly how your final product will look and behave. During the preview, take notes of any necessary adjustments. Do some features need refining? Is the media in sync with your overall theme? Exploring these questions will ensure your project is polished and effective. After making any needed tweaks, it's time to save all your hard work. You have a couple of options here. Publish the project directly to your preferred platform or export it for sharing or further use later on. Both options are accessible directly from the Lovable AI dashboard, offering you flexibility depending on your needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a fully functional project using Lovable AI. Thanks for tuning in, and happy creating with AI.